Hello AJ Report, it's Alice and Jake, and today we're going to do some bacon from Briony May's recipe book. Right, we're going to do rainbow bar. So we're going to start with some yoghurt, and we're going to do 3 scoops in each bowl. Good job, Alice. So we've took inspiration off Briony May because she does rainbow bake, and this is an easy bake, so we don't have to put it in the oven, which is amazing, so we can do it by ourselves, can't we, Alice? Say yes. She's focusing. Was that 3? Do you want me to do the next 3? We're taking turns. Oh, it looks like nice yogurt. Right, on to the next one. Alice's turn. Good job. Oh, it smells nice. The yogurt we're using today is peach yogurt. Yeah. I'm going to put one more in. There we go. Jake's turn. Last one is going to be for Alice. There you go. And our next step, we're going to put food colouring in. We're going to use red, pink, yellow and green. Right. Good job, Alice. We need to put a bit more on that first one. Well done. Right. Which colour? Red. So Alice is going to do the red one, and we're going to do some mixing. Do you need some help? Do you want some help? Thank you. There you go. Good job. Don't put too much in. That's enough. Well done. Mix, 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 Alice. You use your spoon. Can I do the next one? Right. We're going to do pink.
No.
Oh, sorry. Well, if I mix it and you do pink. Oh, good starting. Can I have a go? And you do the next one. You do pink. With that spoon. Pink. This is peach. Oh, look. Would you like some help?
No.
So some help?
No.
Okay. We're Mrs. Independence, aren't we? Which is very good. Well done. Bit more red in this one. I think that looks good. That's enough. Well done. Put the lid back on. You get mixing that one. It's more red than pink. Right. I'll start this one, and Alice do the yellow one. The yellow. Right. Good job. Good teamwork, Alice. Well done. Oh. I wonder what's going to be next. Alice, have a mix. Well done. Right. What colour is next? Is it going to be green? Thank you. Green. Well, that's a lovely yellow. So colourful. This one's perfect for them summery days because this goes nice and cold. Lovely, look at these colours. Right, that's enough green, well done. Alice is going to have a mix. Can I have them again? Thank you, Alice. And you're going to do the blue one. Can I help with the blue one?
No.
Okay, only a little bit. Good job. Oh look, it's all... That's a bit too much blue food colouring, Alice, so it's going to be very blue. It's more food colouring than yoghurt, Alice. We'll help. Right, our next step. Our next step. Here we have a baking pan, thank you, Alice. Right. We're gonna do pink I need you to do it in little rows. So if I put my hand there, I'm going to get yogurt all over my hand. Lovely. Well done. Now I'm going to start this end. I'm helping. Good job. All of the colours. Good job, Alice. Make sure it's nice and thick. Good job, Alice. I think that's all the pink. There you go. On that one there, thank you. Good job, Alice. Can I do the yellow? Or do you want to do the yellow? Say me. And then we're going to have blue in the middle. Is it nice? Lovely. Well done. Right, look at this. This is turning out nice. And then we're going to put the blue one. So you do the last one. Good job. Well done, Alice. In the middle. Nearly in the middle. Doesn't matter. It's going to be rainbow bark. Well done. Look at this. Alice, what's next? It's your favourite part. Look, it's gone like we're doing a different recipe. We've gone wild. We're doing a tie-dye sort of rainbow bark. Oh, wow. Let's do the sprinkles. Right. You put your hand out. Thank you. There you go. And we'll do another one. Put your hands out. Sorry, use a bit then. There you go, on there. Well done. We get a good coating. Now it has to make it cold. We have to make it cold, don't we? You sound cold. Cold, so we're going to put it in the freezer and we're going to say bye. That's right, Alice. Bye bye. I hope to see you all again back. We've got our rainbow bark and feel that, Alice, it's so cold. It's cold. Right, so I'm going to lift it up. This part can be a bit tricky. We've got to peel it off the back. Oh, it's so cold, Alice. It's cold. Are you going to try it already? Ours has gone very tie-dye because we're just... Look at this. Right. Can Alice break it up, please? Can you break it up? Well done. This looks amazing. Should we try it? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's yummy. Let's put a thumbs down and thumbs up. Thank you to Briony Made Bakes for giving us this recipe. Not bye yet. And thank you for the rainbow bark. It's lovely. Now we can say bye. 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 Bye.